Hello 1 2 3. Wow, I'm picking now currently. Hello 1 2 3 1 2 3. No, I'm still picking. Hello 1 2 3. Hello everyone. This is okay. This is okay. This is a little bit better. Yes, it is actually good. The limiter should not be any problem. Maybe I will want to reduce this a bit more. Okay, let's leave it with the current settings. So hello guys, it's Minh Hikari and welcome to my stream for the sixth time. The sixth time. Alright, so the story is I actually having a pretty bad homage age for the whole day. Was really thinking that I need to move the stream this evening to another day, or maybe straight out cancel it. But I actually feeling much better now, so quite happy that I can go streaming like this. Mainly because yes, I already feel better after the whole day resting. I actually need to call it a sick day at the company and did not come to work today. But yeah, I already feel better now, and also like lying all days in bed is just so boring. And actually I don't have any anime entry to watch today. Because so yeah, I just stream a bit for killing times, following the current schedule that I currently have. So yeah, I think that's enough for the intro already. Oh, and before we start, if there is any women that are happening to watch the stream, Happy Women's Day. The world is much better with you. So wish you all the best today and for the whole year until I can say Happy Women's Day in next year. Okay? So I think that's enough for the intro. So let's start the thing that we usually do, shall we? So let's go to the main screen. Yeah, this is just me playing just me playing around, so don't mind me. I actually haven't even start my stream control on my tablet, and actually my stream chat on the tablet. So hold on for a sec. Where's Twitch? Here. Yeah, sure. I want to turn on the notification. Somehow I haven't accept to have any notification from Twitch. Where's my channel? And I want to go to chat. So let's see if the chat today will be more lively than the last stream. Alright, so before we actually getting into some coding, I actually have something that I want to show you. In short, I was an idiot for the whole, so until this until this evening, I realized that I am an idiot because regarding the to-do list that we are currently managing here, because I completely unaware the fact that GitHub actually provide us with projects. I should link one, right? So I already create one here, so that's why. Okay, So this repository will now be linked to my project as well. So basically there is a project, there's something on project in GitHub, and this is a much more fancy way so we can track our progress within the project. So for preparing this stream, I just sit and like in 10 minutes very quickly creating the corresponding entry taken from our to-do list and put it on here, and also reflect the status of every single task that we already done. So as you can see, basically the thing that you are currently seeing here is actually reflects on the content inside here. So this will be our, I think this will be from now on our way to monitoring and looking at the process that we are currently having. And also, by the way, if you type the command project, then I also include this link so you can also access this page and follow the process of the project as well. Yeah, so this is a much more fancier thing. Though there's one caveat that I think we will need to bear with currently. That is this status draft here. So I'm not going fully and applying fully the workflow of GitHub yet, because if you want to have this draft status changed to something more official, then you will need to create a proper issues in the project and then link that into the to-do items here that we are currently having, which is the thing I will not do, because first, like I said, I am not utilizing the whole workflow of GitHub yet, because it will take time. We may do that in the future when we get into the bigger project. But the second reason why I won't do that right now is because I'm lazy. That's all. Yeah, that's all. So let's bear with this for now, and I think when it's come to the bigger project that we will do on this channel together, I will try to use this in a more proper way. For now, this is more than enough. Alright, so let me actually zoom it in so you can see what is currently happening. So this is how much that we already done for the blog rework that I am currently doing, and so far I would say that I think going live like this really give me much more motivation, because this is the furthest, yeah, I would say that this is the furthest process that I have ever been reached in a side project. Because like I actually previous time I also tried to do some side project, but then always abandon them like after 1 or after 2 or 3 sessions working, because currently because I haven't have time at that time, and also I am not having enough motivation to do that. So going live like this is actually really help me to get my motivation up, and also make me become more responsible for what I was started, because now all of you, at least the one who watched my stream, is now all aware that I am currently doing something, and that is already enough for me to try to go with what I am currently doing to the end. So we will see the result. Alright, so I think that's all for GitHub and motivation. So now let's actually picking the items that we will try to achieve today. So this is easy. The current thing that I try to do in the end of the stream last time is trying to implement the search by title. So this will be the main focus within this stream. We will come back here and try to get more into the in progress here, because literally I only have less than 1.5 hours on this stream. Okay, I think let's do it for now. Oh, and also the to-do list you are seeing here will be flexible, which means this is not all. We will add something into this list later on if I found that, yeah, I want to do it and I want to have it in my website. So yeah, let's try to focus on into this function for now. So search by title, here you go, there we go. And of course, because we already have something much more fancy to crack out to do, then I don't think we need this one anymore, which means I will remove this, as you can see. Okay, let's get started. And I really hope that the music will not completely how can I say this? I hope that the music will not completely covers all of my voices, so you can still hear me well. Oh, and by the way, I am going back to use the HyperX Holocast here. There is one more lavalier microphone that will come later next week, so I will try to check to see if I can like use that instead of this one. Okay, so pnpm run dev to bring our project up again, and let's go to localhost 3000. Hold on a little bit, and here is our blog. Alright, so now let's try to do this. So we basically want to implement, like, if I input something here like hello, then we will go to a page, and in that page we will try to list all of the posts that has the name, that had the title contains the query that I am currently typing in. So let's see if we can do this. So I actually have like a search right here, right? So it should be search page 1, and we already have a template for this. The only thing that I am currently trying to do is getting this thing work. Yeah, it seems it's not working like I want it to be, but hold on, maybe I'm missing something if I'm doing this. Nothing at all. Haha, funny. What's actually happening? So I got the search term, and I know that the search term works because we actually have it here already. We can actually put it here, so the search term is absolutely working. The only problem is, why did this not working? If I'm not doing anything, it is working, but once I put it in, it is not working anymore. So the title, I got the regex, I got the search term. Is it even the correct way? No, it's not working. Okay, hold on. Let me try to do this. It actually work. But if I get a search term inside, it's not working. Oh wait, hold on. You see? Okay, there is something that I need to get your attention to. This is the query, and you see that I am having a capital A inside here. If I press enter, you see that? I press enter, this is become lowercase, which means this one is also become lowercase. This is uppercase all because CSS actually getting something. Yeah, there is some CSS going on. You see the text transform here. If I disable that, you see? Okay. And that is why, which means I need to find a way to get this regex here. So the regex work already. I just need to find a way to get this regex case insensitive, so it should not consider if the word is uppercase or lowercase. It should work both of the time. So yeah, it should work. Yeah, it should work in both cases. It should work in both cases. How can I do that? Which means let's return to this one. And if I replace this with the word anime here, will it work? It is still work because this is basically still a regex. Which means I think there should be an option somewhere here that can let me doing the thing I want. So let's go regex. Because there should be a flag called case insensitive ODI. So if I add it here and I add the search term back, will it work now? Alright, if I going like this, only three works. If I go entry, this also work. So regex, so does regex work? It is. Now let's see what happens if I do something really evil, because I can input something like this. Okay, it is not working, but did I already like escape it? Okay, this is interesting. Okay, it seems it is not doing anything right now, which is good, but I don't think this is enough because I also need to. Okay, let me see. SNS. I'll take a sample. I actually want to pilot. Actually, this is the pilot list. Okay. So this is the pilot. I actually want to test some pilot here. I will actually test more later on, but for now, let's try to see if there is something that make us that can break this. I think it should already be. I think it should already be prevent by the framework. Holy cow. this is, yeah, this is so many payload. Literally, I would say this is so many payload that can cause an SSS. Holy cow. Holy cow, that is much more than I can anticipate it. Okay, this thing is scary. Alright, this is very scary. I hope that there should, like, I'm currently wondering, like, is there a tool that can be used for testing an ISS attack on my side? Because I am currently doing something very dangerous, that is output what the user is input inside the search box out here. If that is the case, then it will be very scary, right? Alright, so at least we know that for now. Okay, let's worry about that later on, because there should not be anything too important. That's what I hope. For now, I just, yeah, let's keep everything like this with the regards for now. If there is any better way to do this, I definitely will try to make it happen. But for now, so at least we know that this thing will work. Now, there's one thing that we need to implement, which is the behavior of user inputting something here. We will need to redirect them to this link with the payload adding up onto the strip here, onto the query params here. So let's do this. And this thing is on the search box is on here, which means I should go to where is that? It should be, no, this is not the post entry, this should be the layout. The layout comment header, which is inside the components layout comment header right here. So we basically need to get it inside to write something here. Okay, so we absolutely need to have a strip tag here, and this strip also a setup strip. Now let's use a const search term, so we can go v model on this one, search term. So it will be empty if I say anime. Then it should have a text called anime inside here. As you can see, it is already contained the text anime here. So let's get it empty right now. So I also need to get the action. Okay, so ID search action is, I remember because the input is in a form, which means I should have some way to submit the form, right? So action. Yeah, I completely forget it. Let's not do any method. Let's do ID as search, but what do I want to do next? On add submit dot prevent. So prevent default, right? Yeah, that is how you implement the prevent default on the event also. And what do I want to do is trigger search. Now let's go down here, declare the function. And because the search term here is a V model, so I can quickly doing something like if search term. So I will need to make sure it is truthy. If that is the case, then is it just simply that we call navigate to search like this? I also need to go to page and one where the query is the search term. So yeah, let's see if this works or not. So go back to the host 3000, clicking here. I will need to try to restore the search icon here, but let's say anime. Okay, it is not submitting. Yeah, it is not submitting. Do I actually need to have a button just for submitting it? Hold on. Button type is submit. Submit. I'm just trying, so let's see if I actually need to do that. Anyway. Okay, it is not submitting on enter, so this is absolutely not the problem. Is it in the form, right? Form submit on enter view. So submit.prevent is here. Okay. Alright, you know what? Let me actually trigger some alert first. Just to make sure that it work. Just to make sure that it's actually work. It works, so it jump in. Okay, nice. Oh, so navigate to absolutely should not working here. So if I go search term here, it should get me the search term, right? Hello, this is me. Holy cow, it is not. It is not. Wait, hold on. That. I get it a V model. I get it a V model. Why it's not working? Holy cow. Hold on a sec. That's really, yeah, that's really strange. I actually get this. Wait, is it the way it works? Wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. I don't think so, right? It should not have it work, right? It should not have it work. Whoa, wait, hold on. View 3 V model. So two-way data binding. Are you kidding? I think this is much. I think this is already changed from what I know about view. Oh, view is already changed. So from 3.4, this is pre-defined. What the heck is this? Define. Wow, this is okay. Hold on, so how about this? Form input binding. Value here is text. V model is text. This is the basic usage. Oh, it used a ref. It used a ref. Okay, I remember now. Alright. So it is working like this one. Alright. Okay, so it's just me being an idiot again. So I will need to say ref empty dot current, I believe, dot value. If I have this one, then it should work in a more correctly way now. So animate, it is saying this one and it changed. Not enough. Oh, what? Oh, what is it? Oh. Okay, hold on. Hello again. You see what I'm seeing now? Do you see what I am currently seeing? So this thing work well. In fact, it is work completely fine. There's only one problem with it. That is, if I stay right on this page, I click here, I change the keyword, I press enter again, you will see that it is not changing. It is because the root itself is not changed. Only the query. So the root is not changing, which means this component right here will not be re-rendered. No, not this one. This one will not be re-rendered. And because of that, it basically will not work. How to resolve this? Did I miss something? I need like something like a height, right? Remember, I don't actually have a height management for now. So no view as, no state management yet. To the point that I am currently thinking that I should add one. Should I? Yeah, should I? Should I add one? I am currently thinking. I think I will add one. But if I add a state management like Pinia, I will absolutely use Pinia for state management. The question is, if I add it in now, then how can I make the search function work with that? Basically, the keyword now will be a variable within a store, and we will make the search page aware of that store. So if the keyword in the store change, then the search component will also be re-rendered and the function will run once again. I don't know what you think, but they sounds possible. And it sounds right to me. Unless I actually really missed something with the composition API here, to tell the truth. So reactivity fundamental, I actually will need to read this one now. So the script setup. So we need ref, which is the thing that, okay, DOM update. What the hell is this? When you mutate reactive state, the DOM is updated automatically. However, it should be noted that the DOM updates are not applied synchronously. Instead, Vue buffers them until the next tick in the update cycle to ensure that each component updates only once, no matter how many state changes you have made. So to wait for the DOM update to complete after the station, you can use the next tick global API. So count of value then await next tick. Yeah, I still don't understand a thing. Oh, so basic example, this is computed properties, right? Conditional rent, right? Wait, hold on. Event lifecycle hooks. Unmounted. There are also other hooks that will be called at different stages of the instant lifecycle. So render encounters setup before create option API created has precompiled template, precompile on the fly before mounted, and when it mounted, it will be updated, re-render and pass, re-render and pass, re-render and pass, re-render. Oh wait, when did I change? Before update, re-render and patch. So when is the before update run? On before update. So we have unmounted, unupdated, unmounted, on before update. This show can be used to set the DOM, but we need to trigger the update, right? We need to trigger the update, right? Hold on. Setup, composition API. The properties of the return object will also be made available. I knew it. So those things are here inside the setup. Mounted. Accessing props, setting up context. If we go with option API, then we actually have has an option for states. And if I understand correctly, then when the states change, when the states of a component change, it should also re-render the whole component. So that is the option API. If we are currently using the option API, this is easy because I already familiar with the option API with Vue. The only problem is now we are using Vue 3, and with Vue 3 we are recommended to change to the reactivity, which means we use the composition API here instead of the option API. In React, they actually have use effect. And use effect will basically, no, it's not use effect, but basically they have use state, which means if the state change, then the whole thing will be rendered. I already know that. Do we actually have anything about state here? It is only the option API. Hold on a second. So we're actually watching something here. Re-render. So what should I run the function immediately? Oh, okay. Ref. Basically, I can do something like getting all of this into a function and then watch this function right here. Watch this one right here. If it's watch this one right here. Watching the root.query.p. If it changes, then I will rerun the whole thing again. That could solve the problem, but that feels a little bit hacky. I don't want to do that. My question is there an official way that we can do to re-render the whole thing? Hold on. Will it happen? I don't know. I don't know if that is enough. So let's refresh now. We have the keyword anime. Another. It is not working. It is not working. So basically the function is not running again. Okay, so Vue I think is really different to React when it's come to like the way that Vue is approaching the render is really different from React itself. Oh my god, I remember that at the company we actually have a center of excellence where they go with the basic of Vue 3, I believe. Oh man, I really should attend that one, because I just realized that I actually don't know anything about Vue 3. The render function, the server-side rendering, the custom renderer. Reusability, custom directive transition, scaling up, best practice. Rendering mechanism. Render function, oh no, rendering mechanism. This is just telling us about vNode, so template syntax, I know that. Reactivity fundamental, we have ref, we have reactive proxy, we have computed properties, we have class and style, conditional rendering, v-if and things like that. List rendering is v4 template. Okay, event handling, we can use v-on to, that's the inline handlers. This is how the inline handler work. Okay, count ref 0, basically it's a ref. Okay, method handlers. Form binding, life cycle hook. Import on mounted from Vue, on mounted, on updated, on unmounted. The thing is, where's on update is triggered. Register come back to be called after a component had update is dumped after. Only after. On render trigger, register a debug code to quick call when a reactive dependency trigger. Yeah. Oh. Okay, hold on. When the reactive dependency, the question is what is the reactive dependency, or more exactly like how can we define one as the reactive dependency? Vue 3. re-render component. The horrible way reloading the entire page. The terrible way VF hack. The better way using view built-in force update method. The best way using key changing technique to refresh your component. Horrible way, terrible way. This is the VF render component. Wrap is true, and then we change to phone, await next click, and return to true again. Yeah. You can use force update, better way. Force update. We get the current instance. Get instance and then do the force update. So basically it is something that like a hack in React when we define a force update at a state and then try to re-render by updating that state to another value so it re-renders again. Which I think, yeah, the thing is it will not work, right? Because yeah, this still not working in our case because we actually want to re-render what? We want to re-render the content down here. So this is, so about here, this is from here to the end of the page. This is the component that we want to be re-rendered. But to trigger the re-render, but we want a change from up here to trigger the re-render. Actually, let me check something really quick. Okay, this is actually not a good thing to check. I know this is, I think they will refresh the page, right? Test. Oh, we are, oh, okay, okay, actually, okay, this is not soundtrack, right? Okay, let's do that. Oh, it is reloaded because it's basically not view. Oh, okay. I think the best way for this one is we are now introducing Pinia in, and we create a store. So basically, we will create a store. That store will have the search. That store will contain the search term that we want to use, and then when we press enter, we will trigger the search with that search term changing in the store, and then we will get basically yeah, we will get that keyword inside the component also. Yeah, what? Yeah, I think we should do that within. Yeah, if that is the case, then can we do the search inside the action? Can we do it? Because we actually currently having it here. So query content. This is from Nuxt content, right? So basically it should work here. It should work. I don't know if it will work in a store, but I think that let's introduce one. Again, maybe I am currently complicated the problem, but let's say Pinia. We are not using Vue.js. We will use Pinia, the intuitive store for Vue.js. It is quite easy to use if I remember correctly. And in fact, because we're already using Nuxt, which means we don't actually need to create anything Yeah, we don't actually need to install Pinia directly inside here, but we can actually have it as a module like this one, right? So basically we can do this npm and should it developing? No, it should not. Okay, actually, you know what? I actually want to do this for now. Please hold on. Okay, it is resuming Node.js. Alright, dev server. Forget it for now. Again, forget it. Okay. So minor version should be updated now. Okay, pnpm is updated now. Pnpm run dev. Oh, it is too soon. I actually need to do something inside here, right? Module, I will need to add Nuxt in Pinia Nuxt inside here, which means Nuxt content, Nuxt.config.js. Module, I need to add that in. Okay. Run that up again. Now, how to create once this is users, right? I think that's all. Okay, Pinia. Defining a star, we can actually home again. Nuxt, hello Nuxt. If I remember correctly, then you should have a very special directory for star, right? Did you? Did it? No, this is only the plugin. No. Public server. No, they don't have. No, they don't have any. No way. Okay, defining a star. Nuxt.js. We actually have this already. This is for server-side rendering. Is that you don't need to care about serialization? I don't know. Defining a star. Then we have a speed, which is same here. Star outside components. I think I think we are a single page application, right? So yeah. Do we do anything related to server-side rendering? I think no. I really think no. I absolutely really think no. Okay, let's forget it for now, I guess. I'm hoping that I'm not doing anything like, yeah, I know that I might complicate things up, but yeah, it should be. Why do we have what system? I will not try option store. Why? What is the option? This is the option store. State getters action. This is the setup store. Count, name, double count, function, increment, and then we return the whole thing here. So count, name, double count, increment. Setup stores bring a lot more flexibility than option store. Option store is more easier to understand, right? We have state, we have getters, we have actions. That's all. Setup store, we have something like this, but it is, I will say, more flexibility. Yes, I think yes. The way that the composition APIs work is actually much more. Yes, it's actually makes view much more powerful and much more flexible. I think let's go with this one. So I should create now a folder, a directory, sorry, called store, and inside there I can actually create a new file called use search store. Okay, let's try to use Pinia here. So I export. Let me actually copy the whole thing here. Search store and use search store. Let's go with search term. Ref is empty string. Okay, absolutely. We need to return this one. Now, also con search. Okay, let's get this like. Okay, so let's get it like this for now. So this is the search term. We have a ref here, which is a search term. Okay. Or update search term, so I can trigger a function from the search box. Okay, things just got much more out of control, like I said. Okay, let's just try to see if I'm being an idiot again or not. Here we go. So we have the common header now. Let's go with the common header first. I will need to use the store. The thing is, do I actually need to call out to Pinia in app? Do I need to do that? Pinia. And app.view. Okay, we actually have state management here. You know what? We have used state. Damn it. Damn you. Okay, that's fine. We actually have used state. Oh, come on. Maybe I'm doing something stupid again. We actually have used state. we can actually initializing a state, website config, and then call once for some reason here. Then we actually have Pinia. Okay, but it seems that store with S. We actually store with S. Okay, stores. We have defined store, but we actually have the same choice. Okay. In app.view, so in a view component, I can config like this. So cons. So let's get back to the comment header right here. Okay, so can I do something like this? So cons use search store is use search store. To tell the truth, I don't think I need to do any imports here because so search store dot search term, right? So inside here, what if I do a thing called update search term or something like that? Okay, wait. Search term will become search star dot search term. That's all, I guess. Oh, come on. No. Yeah. There we go. So I think this should do it. Is it still work correctly? Let's check. It is undefined now. It is undefined now. I'm updating something directly in a store. Is that good? Hahaha. Oh, we actually need to get this here instead. Alright, see that again. No, it is not printing anything else. So search hub is completely null. Search store. There's okay, one question from me. Does the store actually work or not? I was thinking that I would need to learn Pinia and View 3 again. View dev tools. Need to install it right now. We don't have it yet. Okay, it is in. Refresh again. Close. F12 again. Should have a new tool. We have Pinia in here also. We have search store with search term equals something like this. So if I added some value, Okay. What is this? We actually have V model here. We actually have V model here. So should it change? So search term dot value, right? We have reactive or something like that. I don't know. Search term is not there. It is not working, as you can see. Okay, so let's not do this. Go to a ref like this. Then we will try to do something like this. So const search term equals is that even work or not? I'm just curious. It is. It is absolutely work. So this must be a reference also. It seems I know what happens now. Okay. So search term dot value, and we navigate to here. The thing is, okay, let's keep it like this. Go here, please. We'll go something like also those two. Right. So search star and search term. Search term should be from here. I don't think it will re-render, right? Because that looks so strange, okay? Yeah, it is not doing anything. Anyway. It is empty and it is not doing anything. So adding PNI in seems not a good idea. Okay, somehow I am currently really... Yeah, I must understand something incorrectly. So just a star will not do anything. Just a star will not do anything. Const trigger search search post. Okay, hold on. I am thinking about something now. So if I go to search page and I'm going like search posts, and then I'm going like search term. Hình như có gì. Oh man, that is strange. Yes. Async, not await. So async pass into a source term, or we actually don't need that because the source term here will be updated. It will be updated. Okay. And then I just wait for the query content and the source term here and the source term here and the find here. So I can return those two back. A function and a function and yeah, a function and a function and a variable. Oh, I think I begin to understand things now. So const search, not search term, but result equals an empty array. Const total number of result equals 0. Let's get them all into ref. Then we go with total number of posts. Dot value is this one. We have result post list dot value will also be this one, right? So search post will change those two. And now the page number here, we will need to, yeah, we also need to return those two back. Post list. Okay, right. Okay, we also need something else, or current page and page size. So current page. Current page and page size. Current page will get to ref is 0. Ref is 0. Oh, ref 1, sorry. Page is 5. Okay. So we have current page and we have page size also. Okay. We have search box, search term, search star. We actually have those over here, so we can trigger the search. With search, page is 1. Okay, when we trigger search, we just navigate to here. Okay, we just navigate to here. Okay. I think I'm doing something a little bit. I think I begin to understand what I need to do here. The thing is, I will need to trigger this one. I need to trigger this search pause function inside here. Each time I change to another page. Oh, because when I change the page, the root will be changed. This one will be re-rendered again, and yeah, this one will be re-rendered again, and which means I will need to update the current page again. So should I get the current page inside here? I think no, I guess. Or each time the search pause function run, I also need to update the current page that I get. Okay, let's see. So page number, we need to use a star. We need to use, yes, suddenly it is getting much more complicated. Let's not do this, right? Let's just get search star cons, search star dot search post, I suppose, and then it will get the first page also. So cons current page equals so do we actually need to do this, right? Do we need to do this? Do we need to get the current page inside here? Page. If that's the case, then how about the source term? Do I need to get the source term inside here? No, I don't think so, because the source term will only change if I change the root. The source term will only change if I go back onto the search box and then input another search term there, which means when I press enter, it will be updated inside here, and when the things when the things redirect to this page right here, I think I think page number is already enough. So page number is already enough. This page number, so I don't think I need to get the current page here, but let's just say so page number, so page number will be here. Okay, so let's not getting the current page in, but we will pass the page number into the search term. So search parse, I want to get the current page in. Is it enough? Let's say. Oh, and because of that, I still need to recalculate those two. Next page and previous page. And then trigger this. What else do we miss? Do we have the total number of result? Yes, we need. Current page time page size. Current page time page size. I need to get the page size out from the store. So cons page size equals search store dot page size. then we still need to get the cons. Okay, let's write it like this. Do we need do we actually need them like reactive or not? I don't think so. So current page is us, next page is us, current page is us. We only need those two to set the things up there. So let's see if it will work or not. Yeah, 500. What is happening? Search term was accessed during render but not defined on the instance. Post list. Oh, we also need to get those two out also. So post list and search term. Sorry to say, but we also need to get post list and search term. Yeah, it is still yelling 500, but why? Why it is yelling something like this? Oh, what error is currently having? Okay, wait, hold on. What is currently happening? That's 3000. Let's go to animate. Root is the what the hell is root is not defined. What is root? Oh, use root. Oh yeah, we need this one also, so it can access the current page that is defined up here. What is currently happening again? I know, get it. I know, get me the error, please. Page number. Page number. They are on ref, right? Oh, dot value. Page size is not changing. Post list is a ref. Total number also is a ref. Page number. Wait, that is us passing in, right? So why does not work? Yeah, that is quite strange. Oh, it's already 500. What? Oh, it already crashed. What's happening? And please get me to view system. What is this? Post list dot data dot value. What is that? Okay, I am. I am really struggling currently. We have nothing inside here, so the length is this is a proxy, and this proxy is basically an array, and that array having nothing inside. If it's only this one, will it work? No, it will. No, it's still not working. I know, but what is currently happening? What file and what line that it is talking about? I am struggling. It is trying to get something inside the home post entry, and then there is something. Oh, the post, hold on, the post list of data. Oh, maybe, wait. This is not an array, right? Post list is an object. Is it a problem? It is still incorrect. Okay, so hold on. Go up here. The post list here is not data. I can just go like this, as you can see. So post list, post in post list. Right? Post in post list. That's what I was struggling with. Okay. Oh man, we're nearly out of time, but I haven't have anything up yet. So let's try to see what's happened if I'm doing this right now. Total number of posts is not defined. What is that? So stupid. Okay. Okay, is it working? Search star. We actually don't have anything here. So search term, search star, total number of result 3. Is it? Do I actually need to get the star in the state? Yes, it is. And now it's data again. You see that? You see that? Oh man. Wait, hold on. And then I can do it is 75. That's funny. Okay, hold on. Go back here. Do we actually have something like this? Do we actually have some support like? I know that it will cause a problem. PostList.data. I know that will be a problem like this one. So postList.value will equals await this one. And then it's just like postList.data. We will have postList like a ref here. And then we go postList.data like this one. Oh, the search term is not updated. Wait, hold on. Oh, if I load this page up for... Yeah, if I refresh this page. If I refresh this page, will not... Yeah, I just found myself a new problem. If I refresh the page, it is not getting anything because it really should read this and updating the thing inside. Holy cow. Okay, so I really don't need the search star inside here. I only need a search term like this. And then everything I need to do is I move it inside here, right? And after I navigate here, I should try to do something like this. And then pause the search term in, and then get the search term inside, which means it is now working more correctly or not. Because the thing is, I got the post list here. It's actually yeah, it's actually not working fine at all. Holy cow, I need to, yeah, okay. This is fun because the next page will not. The next page will not update the route. Okay, we are actually getting a trouble now. So there is very many problems with this approach that I haven't think about. Using a state management turns out to have many more problems that I think it is. I press next page, it is getting, yeah, I completely missed the search term here because you can see that the link there. Oh my god. Yeah, the previous page and the next page is actually not working correctly. Because if I actually need to have it, yeah, if I want to retain the search term here, I also need to get this thing, the query inside the button as well. And from what I am, and from the thing that I am currently doing, it will definitely not working correctly. Okay, this is the thing that I will need to think later on. I was struggling so hard today trying to implement this feature, and now the search feature, and now it seems that I have no movement, like no progress today on the to-do list. So unfortunately this feature will not being complete within this stream. I am currently now thinking about like an extra stream tomorrow, so I can reconsider my decision to add Pinia and use Pinia way of searching. I will need to do that now. Sorry that you are, yeah, sorry to all of the viewers to see me struggle like this on the channel. Okay, yeah, I think we will, yeah, I think I need to call it done for today, guys. It's 10 p.m. now, which means I will need to do something else right now. But I will see you in the stream, and hopefully we will resolve the pagination problem that we are currently having with our page. Until then, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next stream. Bye.